Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook hoisin sauce. You will begin by gathering a few key ingredients, like a half cup of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. You will also need 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. This homemade version offers a fresh, rich flavor, far superior to store-bought options. It is an incredibly easy process, taking less than 10 minutes to prepare. First, combine your half cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons of honey in a mixing bowl. Whisk these ingredients together until they are smooth and well integrated. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar and 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, which adds a lovely nutty aroma. For a gentle kick, incorporate 1/4 teaspoon of your preferred chili garlic sauce or sriracha. Now it is time to really build that classic hoisin flavor. Stir in half a teaspoon of 5-spice powder, an essential blend for authentic taste, along with 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder for a savory depth. Transfer your sauce to a small saucepan and heat it over low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently. You want it to gently thicken, coating the back of a spoon lightly, but do not let it boil vigorously. Once your hoisin sauce has thickened beautifully, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. This cooling process allows the flavors to meld even further. Once cool, transfer the sauce into a clean, airtight container, such as a glass jar. You can store this delicious homemade sauce in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It is incredibly versatile. Try it as a glaze for roasted meats or a flavorful addition to your next noodle dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.